Alright, and welcome back to Learning to Draw, episode 15, where we will be doing lesson 19 of Learn to Draw in 30 Days, the Pyramid. There's actually 2 stopping points in this, but we will be going all the way through to the last one. So with that being said, let's get started. This is a fairly easy one, and it starts off with us making a nice big line down the middle. I do have a small straight edge that I'm using. I'm not too sure how straight I'll get it, but we'll give it a try. So we get a nice big line down the middle, and we want to make an angle. And I'm looking for a decent angle, and we actually want it to, that's a little too narrow. Let's give it a little bit more. There we go. And we're going to do something similar to the other side. Now, I don't have a ruler on hand, so what I am actually using is a Swiss card. And then we will connect the bottoms. And you know what? I think we're just going to put the Swiss card down and freehand it. And that one was a little worse. There we go. Now I did manage to not connect that on both times. I won't understand. There we go. Connect it down and okay, now we could just put our light source up there and go ahead and shade this way. But we're actually going to take this one step further. We're going to put an entrance on both sides. So we want it thicker on this side towards the middle and a little thinner on the other side. And that was such a good line till I messed it up to the bottom there. There we go. And we're going to do the same thing for over here. Right here, what about there would be the intersect point. So, up. Nope. For whatever reason, my cursor is way off on this. There we go. It's a little lopsided, but that'll be good for today. And we're going to erase from about the halfway point down. And there's a reason I am doing about the halfway point is because I want plenty of room so that I can go from about here where it disappears and thin to thick. And the same thing from here, thin to thick. And while we won't be using this line directly, it gives us a nice little contrast so that we can cut directly across. We can kind of check the angles are similar. And then just erase all of this extra right there. And as we got our light source up here already, all we have left to do is shading. It'll be nice and dark up here. It'll be shadowed, but not as dark over here. Nice and dark over here to about the halfway point. Here to here. Here to here. We'll have light coming out of it. So down here to there. And we want to shade dark to about here and then light to about here, and something similar about halfway, and then a little bit all the way across. So I will go ahead and speed through that. Follow along if you wish. If you have and you do follow along, I hope you've learned something. Otherwise, I hope you've had a wonderful day. Goodbye.